5.
Shiloh, guess
4,
what?
3, 2,
Guess what?
1. You're having a kid. What is it?
Oh! This got fireworks in the backyard! How you timing up that good? Oh my goodness!
Yeah, come on.
Film the fireworks!
Get ready.
This is the best birthday ever! This is the best birthday ever! We got fireworks in the backyard! I ain't gonna lie, my boy. You got fireworks in the backyard. We good, brother. I ain't never seen nobody do that before. Get it nice. Hold on. And these fireworks been going on for a long time. We ain't running out of time. They're going crazy right now. These ain't the cheap fireworks either, I can tell. This better than 4th of July fireworks. It's just after that. Goodness! I ain't gonna lie, my boy. You did your big one on the fireworks, my boy. That was 10 minutes worth of fireworks.
Brody, we had a little extra. We ain't pop them on draft night.
I'm not gonna lie, those had to be $100,000 worth of fireworks.